Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to configure nagios into Cloudera cluster. So we after that we can monitor our cluster host everything using nagios. For this we need some pre-installed packages like lamp stack we need is required for nagios and root user. It should be super privileges. Okay, so we'll divide this video into two part because we need to configure many things. So in first part we'll do lamp stack configuration, and after this we'll install nagios, configure nagios with this Apache server. Okay, and we'll restart. And one more thing, we'll also add new host for monitoring. So okay, then we'll start. So we have two server, this server and this server. Okay, and also we have Cloudera cluster configure. In this cluster we have two hosts. Okay, uh, I configure it into GCP. Okay, so I already SSH. So first we'll install Apache, like lamp stack, full lamp stack into Cloudera manager host. Okay, so first we'll, so now it's root user, but we'll do sudo -i, so it will be like for your understanding we'll do everything. Yum update, I already did a yum update, so again I'll do, because at the time of Cloudera configuration I did nothing to update. Okay, so we'll install this. I will put everything into my website, this script into my website. This lamp stack are already there. Okay, so not to worry, and I'll put link into description. First install, see, it is already installed. Started, just will grep, no need to do this, is optional, but it's good. We'll get IP, this IP, see, CM host IP means CM host IP, one not uh, 1.128 dot 2. Okay, we got this. Okay, we'll do fast. Now we'll install MySQL server. So using this command, it won't work because we need to download RPM first. Okay, see, no MySQL. So first we'll install wget for downloading packages. It's already installed. This is MySQL arch. Okay, no arch. Then we'll create MD5 for this particular package RPM created. Then just fire this one, so it will split this rpm. Okay, and now this command will work. Yes, install started. Just follow script one by one, so it won't thrown in an error. Yes, it will ask password and all. I'll put this link into my website also, so you'll find easily all script, everything. Okay, it's installed. Now we'll start MySQL. Started. It's starting. And also I disable firewall. Okay, so you need to also disable firewall. Oops, sorry. It will ask password. Okay, wait. Okay, we have to grab that particular password and then see this command. We need to grab first. You will get password here. See, this is the password. Okay, paste it, enter. Now enter new password. Make good password. Okay, I'm making password one dot p capital. Why? Yes, just password, whatever password you want to enter. Enter. You will continue with password provided. Yes. Remove. Yes. No. Yeah. Reload. Yes. Done. Okay, it's done. Secure installation. See, this is the important command, because you have to grab that particular password, temp password from log. Okay, now install php. Lamp stack is important for. Yes. Okay, done. Now you need to do just restart it. That's it. And okay, php installed successfully. So after this we'll config httpd and mysql. Okay, now we'll create, okay, vi, we'll create one php file for just information. Put this info file. Is a part of nagios. Okay, and restart service. Okay, now copy this, install here now. So just copy this, paste, and info.php. So you'll get everything. So lamp stack configure successfully. Now we'll configure nagios. Okay, so in next video I will configure nagios, because we'll split into three part, so it will be easy for understanding.